Hello, I am Rahish. Today I am discussing about the second part of the Indian journey from Red Fort to the Red Planet, the Mangalyaan mission. Journey to another planet requires highly sophisticated ground systems as well. This need was felt during Chandrayaan 1 mission, and ISRO had already established a state of the art 32-meter deep space antenna at Byalalu near Bengaluru with international standards. And this was not alone. To track communications, one cannot use just one station. Thus, India joined hands with other friendly countries for this epic journey. ISRO readied Mangalyaan on schedule for launch. The rocket PSLV C-25 was also being prepared at Sriharikota. But during the 2013 Mars launch window, which was from late October to mid-November, it was the time of monsoon return in southern India. Due to this, mission was to be launched in a non-favorable time frame. But ISRO took the puzzle and solved it, and India was ready to sculpt history. PSLV C-25 rocket launched Mangalyaan into its desired, in fact better orbit from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, SHAR, Sriharikota on 5th November 2013. In the days to come, ISRO raised Mangalyaan's orbit, solving one more problem during engine firing, and executed the transmass injection flawlessly on 30th November 2013, beginning India's journey to Mars. Along India's Mangalyaan, the United States also launched their Mars mission, MAVEN, on 18th November 2013. Mangalyaan took a 300-day journey to Mars, traveling at a speed of 20 kilometers per second, covering more than 400 million kilometers. At Mangalyaan speed, we can get from New Delhi to New York in 9 minutes. September 24th, 2014. This day became one of the most important moments in the history of the independent India, as India's own Mangalyaan successfully entered the Mars orbit, making India the fourth in the world, first in Asia, and first in world to attain Mars orbit in the very first attempt. Today, Mangalyaan is still continuing its mission after 7 years, even though it was designed for just 120 days. Mangalyaan has also given its contributions to unravel the mysteries of the red planet. Mangalyaan had given many gains to India. By far, the biggest gain India got with Mangalyaan was that it clearly demonstrated India's capabilities. Thus, today, many countries are knocking India's doors for assistance in their space missions. With Mangalyaan, India has once again proved to the world that India achieves what India dreams. Link for part 1 is in the description. Thanks for watching my video.